Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set alarms in Windows 10. Whether you need a reminder for an important task or want to wake up on time, Windows 10 has got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. In the search bar, type Alarms and hit Enter. Step 3. Click on the Alarms and Clock icon from the search results. Step 4. On the left side of the window, click on Alarm. Step 5. On the right side, you'll see a plus button. Click on it to add a new alarm time. Step 6. Set your desired alarm time. You can also customize additional settings such as the alarm sound, snooze time, number of times the alarm repeats, and the name of the alarm. These settings are optional, but can be useful for personalizing your alarms. Step 7. Once you've set everything up, click the Save button to save your alarm. Please note that on most computers, the alarm screen will display a message stating, "Notifications will only show if the PC is awake." To ensure that your alarm goes off as intended, you will need to configure your computer not to go to sleep. That's it! You've successfully set an alarm in Windows 10. Now, you can stay organized and never miss an important event again. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.